Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to make one Rakhi card, and for that material required is one A4 size paper. Okay, fold it into like this, like a card. Okay, one. So this is one white paper. So one colored sheet, one white sheet, and one another color sheet. So three color sheets here. So this circle, just make a circle on white sheet, and this radius will be 6 centimeters, and the diameter will be 12 centimeters. Okay, just make the circle. This is according to A4 size paper. Okay, these measurements are according to A4 size sheet. So 6 centimeter radius. Okay, and make a circle of 12 centimeter diameter, and this is 7 centimeters of diameter, which is 3.5 radius. Okay, so two circles. So this will come in the center. Okay, we will cut this and we're going to paste it on this. And how we first, let's talk about the base. So we are going to create a polka dot base for this, and for polka dots I'm using this whitener here. So just take your whitener and just put dots all over your sheet. So your sheet will look something like this. Okay, so with the help of whitener, just put some dots all over your sheet. So this will be your base. Now second step is this white sheet. Let's keep this aside. So first of all, cut everything, okay, and then assemble all together. So this is the white sheet, 6 centimeters of radius and 12 centimeters of diameter. Draw a circle, or take any circular object which is like a tape or any bowl or anything which is like almost of this size. Okay, and then you're going to draw some spirals. Okay, I'll just tell you how. Simple spirals like this. Okay, these will be your flowers. Just draw all over the circle. Okay, and then what you're going to do is, so let's take pink color. So we are going to color it pink. So I'm using here brush pens. You can use whatever you have. Okay, so let's color some pink flowers here. Let's color some red as well. Okay, if you're not having brush pens, second option is your watercolors. Okay, draw with pencil first and then with watercolors. Just color all over your flower. We're making this Rakhi card. Okay, we're making a Rakhi card here. So you all sisters and brothers can make it for each other. So this is watercolor which I'm using right now. This is pink color. Okay, these were brush pens here. So of same family, you can even use some yellows here if you want. You can even use some yellows here. Okay, and let's do some orange. Some light baby pink more. And some orange. Now once these spirals are done and your coloring is also done, then you're going to use your green color pen, okay, or your sketch pen to make some leaves. Okay, so just make sure that more of your stuff is inside the circle, because we'll be cutting this. Okay, so just make sure that most of your art whatever you're drawing is like in the inner part of the circle. So only some parts should come out, like this big leaf here, which is easier to cut. Okay, just see like that what is easier to cut, just draw that in the outer area like this. Okay, we'll give the details later with black. So first we are just doing the coloring part. We'll give the details later. Okay, let's add some dark also. One here, Let's add one here. This part, okay, overlapping each other. You can overlap them with brush pens, your paints, watercolor paints, poster colors, whatever you have, you can use all of them. So this area is left out. Let's add one leaf here. And now we are going to give details here. Okay, so like in leaf, we'll just make one line and outline it. Okay, spirals, again you're going to outline whatever you have drawn. Simple details. You can give this with sketch pen also. Okay, no need to use brush pen or paints here. Directly with sketch pen you can give some details. Okay, let's quickly give some details here. See, your final work will look something like this. Okay, now first of all, you can use your brush pens, you can use your watercolors, you can use your pencil colors, you can use your poster colors. Okay, no other colors, because on that you will not be able to use your black sketch pen. Got it? So even if you want, you can, like, least option, you can go with wax plastic crayons. Okay, so that's last option which you should avail. Otherwise try not to use. Okay, now see how we are going to cut it. So we'll just cut the outer part, and how we are going to cut is, so we'll leave some space. Okay, so I'll just tell you how we are going to cut it. Let's start from this point here. So leave some space around the leaf, white space of the sheet, like this. Okay, and please take help of your any elder around while cutting if you want. Otherwise go with plastic scissors, those are safe. Like this. Please leave some white spaces around. So with white space it will look nice, and your flowers will come out really well. Okay, so like this you're going to cut it. So I'll just quickly tell you how it will look once it is done. So this is how it will look. Okay, now we have this A4 size paper with us, we have this beautiful floral circle with us, and now we have the small size circle with us. I hope you all are aware of the sizes: 12 centimeter diameter, 7 centimeters of diameter, and we're going to let pop out. Okay, so I'll use this tape here, and so I'll just roll it and I'll just put it here. Okay, so it will pop out. Similarly for this also I'll use this tape. You can even use double-sided tape, you can even use cello tape here. I'm using here masking tape, so it pops out. Okay, you can use double tape, masking tape, any tape, but whichever, even brown tape, you can even use brown tape if you have brown tape. So let's put it like this. Okay, and now you can write it here, Happy Raksha Bandhan, and or Happy Rakhi, whatever you want to write, you can write. So you can write Happy Rakhi, smiley, and then last a ribbon, a rope, a thread, anything you can use. It will give a nice look to your card. Okay, any bright color. Okay, you can just put a small knot here, so when your brother or your sister opens it, it looks nice, and you can write a nice message inside it. Okay, and please don't forget to share the pictures with me with your cards. Okay, this craft, and if it is possible, you brother and sister, you can share the pictures together. Okay, some nice knot here, you can add a nice bow here if you want. Okay, And so when your brother or sister opens, they open it like this. They first open the thread, your rope or thread or ribbon, and then they open the card. Okay, looks pretty, easy to make. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your artworks. Happy Raksha Bandhan everyone. Thank you so much.